Hi everyone! So today I am super excited to share with you one of my favorite DIY projects yet. Right here you'll see my Bachelorette survival kit. So I'm going to take you through this cute little kit to share a few helpful hints and ideas on what to pack in one of these fabulous little loot bags kind of that you can give every girl or guy that's part of your bachelorette party. So I had a bachelorette party for my sister a few weekends ago and we did a staycation in downtown Toronto. I'll tell you more about that in another video and just how all of the planning went, but it was such a hit and I had so much fun making these little kits. So let's start with the bag itself. I was thinking about packaging and gift bags and I thought, you know what, why will I waste money on like a throwaway bag when I could get kind of like a translucent makeup kit. So I found these on AliExpress. They shipped to me within a week, which was unbelievable. I had such a great experience shopping on there. So I'll leave a link below for this amazing little bag. So opening it up, there are actually a few things that I didn't put back in my kit, so I'll talk about those first. Number one, the shot glass necklace. So these ones say Team Bride on them, and I actually purchased these from Party City. You get like 6 of them in a pack for something like $15, I think, $12.99. Not cheap, but an essential and something that you can reuse again. It's, I guess, one of the more useful accessories out there, because there are also some more kitschy cute accessories like these Team Bride necklaces that I threw kind of on a table. I didn't have 10 of them since our party was 10 ladies. I just had a few and then you could choose to wear one if you wanted. So these are always fun if you want to throw one of those in each bag. And of course, the fabulous little pink tiara. So this was for the bride herself. And then an essential. Right? The light up ring. So these are more bride specific and it's nice to kind of make the bride's bag a little bit fancier than the other ones if you so wish. I think this was my favorite part of the whole bag. These are my Team Bride hair elastics, and these are like those ribbon elastics that you can actually wear on your wrist and they look like a bracelet. I'll pop in a photo here of all of us wearing them together. I actually gave these to the girls before our private yoga class, so I put all of the little hair ties around water bottles and then we used them for the whole weekend. I bought this elastic in a spool, again from AliExpress, and then cut up this pieces and kind of tied them together myself. It was easy and all you have to do is just burn the edges so that it doesn't fray, and there you go, you have some really cheap hair elastics that really were such a hit. But you can get them pre-made on Etsy as well, so I'll leave a link below. This is a makeup brush. These come out especially around the holidays because they're kind of like little tree ornaments, but they have like blending sponges. So this is one of the mini contour brushes from Real Techniques, and I love this brush for highlight, contour, literally anything. You could even do some liquid foundation with this guy as well. So you could probably put this and like 2 other things in a bag and your guests will be very pleased. We have the Collab Extreme Volume Dry Shampoo. I use this all the time and Collab is a total game changer for me. You can, I think, purchase these at some drugstores. They have them in the travel section or online as well. Nail Polish Canada stocks them for sure. I also included a little description sheet for this particular product to explain how to use it, where to find more of them if you want the full size, and just some directions, because not all minis have directions. To continue on with our beauty bits, I have an EOS lip balm in here. It's a nice, fun, and good-looking beauty product. Next up is this 7th Heaven Manuka Honey Peel-Off Mask. These masks are so great for traveling or just one-time use in itself. We actually went to a spa, and this was fun to do while you're just lounging on the chairs. Great post-party fix we have here is a makeup remover wipe. This one is actually from a hotel, but you can just find these at probably Walmart would be your best bet for single-use makeup wipes. Got some XL gum here. My next food essential is a little granola bar. This one is packed with seeds and nuts and all good tummy filling things. If you get kind of hungry throughout the day, that was great. And even for like after a yoga class, that was a nice little fix. Turtles. Gotta have something sweet in there, so put some candies or put a little chocolate in there. Again, those are perfect to find after the holidays. The coolest inclusion in my bag is this Hounds black vodka. So at the checkout, it's like the Isle of Doom at the LCBO, you'll find these tiny little plastic bottles. This Hounds vodka will give you like 2 or 3 shots, and it is literally black. This is from PEI, and it is the best tasting vodka I have ever had. And you can float some cranberry juice on top, and you have like the most wicked looking cocktail. So this is a very, very cool crowd pleaser right there. I have little L'Occitane Shea Butter hand creams. Perfect to find around Christmas, or you can find them in sets all year round at the store. I have a little nail file. We got some Advil. I bought just like a Costco sized Advil and then picked up these little tiny baggies from the dollar store and just put 4 Advil in a package for them. I have a little perfume. And the last bit, I have a Ready brush. These are single-use toothbrushes. If you're staying at a hotel, they will surely have extra toothbrushes, but I thought this was a cool addition. I was trying to almost find one of everything that's on the outside of the bag. So you got the hair products, lip balm, gum, and hand cream. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know what you guys think. Have you ever done something like this? Did I forget something? Let me know your favorite part of my little loot bags, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye.